Right, I've dismantled the X-axis drive, and I made a startling discovery, and that was this bar that I've mounted the threaded bar on was on an angle that would have taken it to the moon, which wasn't very useful. So as you can see, I've now levelled that up. It also meant that the guides on the Z-axis onto the guide bar, they were a good 1/4 of an inch out, so I've had to reposition them as well. So consequently, on this bit it was a major "how's your father?" Anyway, that's sorted now, so at least that'll be right. I'll go up to the Z-axis in a minute. I'll show you what I'm doing there. But yeah, that was way out. I didn't realise that. I thought it was all hunky-dory. Oh well, never mind. We live and learn. Looks really lonely there, doesn't it? But it will be driving the X-axis once again very soon. Discovery. I found that a long nut will fit into a hard drive platter hole beautifully, and it will hold it nice and firm. So guess what I'm doing? Yep, I've marked out some holes, and we should be drilling those in a bit. What I'm going to do is make a clamping arrangement using hard drive platters, and it's going to be awesome. Here's the first one. When I get on camera. Okay, and all you do is get another one, put them together, and with an indelible marker, as we call it over here, Sharpie as they call it in America or other parts of the world, you just mark through, and then you've got another one ready to be drilled. Okay folks, back in a bit. I've got to put another platter on the back there because as you can see the nut revolves, which shouldn't do. The other thing I've got to do as well, oops, get out of it, is elongate these holes here and chop off about that much of the set of discs, so that I've then got adjustment up and down. What I'm going to do on the clamping disc is these holes I shall make bigger so that I can put the screwdriver through and do the adjustment on the fixing screws to get the nut exactly in the middle. Okay peeps?